Sibingelele. Kule video ngifisa ukukhuluma ngeSouth Africa, izwe labo bonke abaphila kulona noma abahlala kulona. Kwashiwo njalo, ngiyacabanga ukuthi umthetho wezwe usho njalo uthi iSouth Africa yabo bonke abahlala khona, right? So ngifisa ukukhuluma ngeSouth Africa, especially ngifuna ukuveza izinto abanye abantu abangazazi. Mhlawumbe abanye bayazazi, kodwa ngifisa ukuveza izinto ezizobathusa abanye abantu abahlala khona eSouth Africa, ngeSouth Africa, right? Number 3, iSouth Africa iyona country emhlabeni engenalo igama elithi South Africa. Akulona igama leli, it's a direction ukuthi South Africa. Ukhumbule ukuthi continent yethu is called Africa, so thina njengoba kuthiwa South Africa, that was a direction. Akulona igama lani le country. Ngazi-ke abanye bazothi Azania, no, akuyona Azania, alikaze lelo gama lihlale ngokusemthethweni. So iSouth Africa iyona country engenalo igama. Abanye-ke bayasho-ke bathi kunamahlebezi, angazi, kodwa bayasho abanye bathi kunamahlebezi ukuthi ingoba iSouth Africa ibhizinisi eli-ownwa abantu abathize. Ngiye ngizokushiwo njalo-ke nami angazi, kodwa-ke ngizocela ukuthi sibuke ivideo, sibuke kahle lento ukuthi ngabe ngempela yini iSouth Africa ibhizinisi yini, and obani ama-consumers, obani abakhiqizi bemali, ithina ekwenziwa imali ngathi, thina esihlala eSouth Africa, ithina abanjani ama-consumers kuleli bhizinisi leli, right? Ngicela sibuke le video le.
iSouth Africa ikhampani yase-America, okay? Ngizile ngale ndaba ngayibeka ngesingami la khona abaqele ukuthi ngiyitolike, ngizoyitolika akuna-stress, khona nonke niyibambe stars. Isikhathi sokuthi nazonke amaqiniso bese niyakhetha la nifuna ukuma khona. Asithi konke lokho ngikubone ephushweni. Ane South Africa company yase-America, CEO uRobert, Deputy CEO uNikki Oppenheimer, ama-Chief Whip nama-Speaker uMalema, uMaphosa, Enhlek mphethe ilip, khona nonke nizokubona stars. Bonke ama-politician a-under le company yase-America, so bona bayatshelwa babekwe intshayelo yale company.
You should know, the Republic of South Africa is a corporation which is registered in Washington, D.C. As you can see there, Washington, D.C., United States Security and Exchange Commission, where the Republic of South Africa, name of the registrant, is registered. And let's look at who owns South Africa. There you can see who's the CEO, who's the deputy CEO, everybody that is involved there. Who's the members? Bill and Melinda Gates, World Health Organization, ANC Veterans, ANC National Executive Committee, Democratic Alliance, ANC Ministers, Economic Freedom Fund. There is your owners of South Africa.
Kuzothi number 2 ongakwazi ngeSouth Africa. iSouth Africa true north. Lelizwe lelisekulona alive lise south, lise north of iAfrica. Kwaswapha amagama, kwathiwa le ndawo elapha eGibhithe kwathiwa iNorth, kwathiwa le ndawo le yethu kwathiwa iSouth. Hence that is why singenagama le country, right? Kwaphambaniswa amagama. Le ndawo le ekuthiwa iSouth Africa kahle kahle true north. Yonke into yaqala eSouth Africa. Ukhumbule ukuthi yonke into yaqala eAfrica. Njengoba iAfrica kuthiwa iMotherland, it's because yonke into yaqala eAfrica. Yonke-ke into yaqala eNorth of iAfrica. Lo North of iAfrica ile lizwe leli okulona elibizwa ngokuthi iSouth Africa. Kwaphambaniswa amagama. Ibuphi ubufakazi obukhombisayo ukuthi yonke into yaqala la? La kune-Adam's calendar isempumalanga. La kune-God's foot, unyawo lwe-giant etsheni. Kunonyawo lwe-giant lisempumalanga nalo. La kunama-pyramids amadala kunawo wonke ama-pyramids emhlabeni. Ama-pyramids akhona eSudan, akhona e-Egypt, nase-Ethiopia akhona, ise-Asia akhona, ise-Europe akhona, nase-America akhona, South America akhona. But ama-pyramids amadala kunawo wonke ase-South Africa. Okuwuphawu lokuthi yonke into yaqala kephi kuleli lizwe kuthiwa ise-South Africa. Leli lizwe kuthiwa ise-South Africa liyi-true north of i-Africa. Ibuphi ubufakazi obunabo? Ngizoveza ubufakazi obu-2. Obubodwa ubufakazi ngizobukhipha eBhayibhelini. Obunye ubufakazi budinga ilogic nje. Budinga ilogic nje ukuthi ucabange. Right? Ake siqaleke napho kubufakazi. Ake sizwe-ke kuthiwa lana u-Abraham, which is mazi ngokuthi u-Abraham, right? Kahle kahle igama lakhe langempela-ke uNtu, owazalwa isizwe esingangey'nkanyezi, isizwe esingangey'hlabathi zolwandle. Iy'ngane zakhe uNtu zibizwa ngokuthi abantu. Uyena-ke lo wabelungu base befaka igama lakhe-ke lithi Abraham, balikhiphe lithi Ntu, right? Kuthiwa u-Abraham wakhuphuka eGibhithe. Ukhumbula uNkulunkulu wamsusa eGibhithe, right? Le yaziwa ngokuthi Egypt. Kuthiwa wakhuphuka eGibhithe kanye nomkakhe nakho konke anakho. uLoti enaye waya ngaseningizimu. Ikuphi iningizimu? Iliphi izwe elibizwa ngokuthi iningizimu? Nayizwe indaba, ngicela ukuphinda. Wakhuphuka. Wayesuka kuphi? Wayesuka eGibhithe kanye nomkakhe nakho konke anakho, uLoti enaye waya ngaseningizimu. Why kungashiwo kuthiwa wehla waya ngaseningizimu if kuwukuthi iningizimu isouth? Ingoba manga i-Egypt ise-south la u-Abraham asuka khona. Wasuka kanjani na? Wakhuphuka waya ngaseningizimu la khona afika khona akha khona isizwe sabantu, usaqala khona isizwe sabantu, right? Ake siveze obunye ubufakazi futhi ukuthi i-South Africa iyi-true north of i-Africa. Okay, nampa obunye ubufakazi bosibili. Kuthiwa lana kunomfula, right, obizwa ngokuthi the Great Usuthu River, also called Lusuthu, right? And the Maputo River, right? Kunomfula obizwa ngokuthi the Great Usuthu River, right? Ubuye ubizwe ngokuthi iLusuthu noma iMaputo River. So kahle kahle ubizwa ngamagama awu-3 lo mfula, kodwa umfula owodwa, right? Ake size ukuthi kuthiwani. The Great Usuthu flows from South Africa, right? Flows from South Africa through Eswatini, right? And Mozambique, where it joins the Pongolo River and then becomes known as Maputo River. Now, if South Africa kuyise south, umfula ungasuka kanjani from south uye north? Iyayenza ini sense ngoba lo mfula kuthiwani? Kuthiwa flows from South Africa through Swaziland bese uyophelela eMozambique. Phela lapho if ukuthi iSouth Africa ise south kumele ngabe inorth leyo, ngoba phela kubukeke ngathi mubuka imap iSwaziland ingaphezulu kwaZulu and then phezulu kweSwaziland khona eMozambique. Umfula ungasuka yini south uye kephi? Uye north, ngoba umfula kumele usuke north uye south. Ubufakazi bosibili lobo. By the way, lo mfula lo obizwa ngokuthi the Great Usuthu River ulo obizwa ngokuthi iJordan eBhayibhelini. Lo kwabhabhadiswa kona uJesu uwona-ke lo mfula lo, right? Ake siqhubeke siveze okunye ongakwazi ngeSouth Africa. Bese kuzothi number 3 ongakwazi ngeSouth Africa. ISouth Africa ilelizwe leli ekuthiwa izwe loju nobisi ise-South Africa. Now uzodideka uyitshela ukuthi mengithi South Africa ngisho izwe lakho leli ekuthiwa iSouth Africa. iSouth Africa iqala lapha ko-Angola, Zambia. That was one country That was called Southern Africa. South Africa kahle kahle is not only izwe leli. This whole land from Angola, Zambia, Malawi, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia, wehle uya ko Lesotho, Swaziland, South Africa. That was called Canaan land. Izwe lase Canaan, that was one country. Abantu abasuka eGibhithe beye Canaan ibona laba abakulamazwe lawa vele la. And if you check umlando kuzoveza kuthiwa abantu abenza ilento le immigration bevela eNorthern Africa, lelizwe leli lapha ko-Egypt, iNorthern Africa ifake. Kuzovela ukuthi ilabantu abalapha eSouthern Africa abantu abenza immigration. Kodwa ke kwabe sekushintshwa ama dates. Kwathiwa le immigration yenziwa ngo-15th century, kuqanjwa amangakuhlaza cwe. Ngobani umlando ufika ushintshwe abacindezeli basuke bebusa, bawushintshe ngendlela ezovuna bona. So lelizwe kuthiwa iseCanaan, ilelizwe kuthiwa ise-Southern Africa. Not South Africa yodwa, Southern Africa ilona zwe laseCanaan. We were once one country. Yazi ibuphi ubufakazi? Mubheka kulelizwe kuthiwa ise-South Africa, ubheke i-oldest tribe. Yazi kuzovelani? Kuzovela ukuthi Khoisan. Bese uyahamba eNamibia, ubheke ukuthi who are the oldest tribe? Kuzovela amaKhoisan. Uye eBotswana kuzovela amaKhoisan. Uye eZimbabwe, Zambia, Angola, Malawi, zonke lezo indawo ese-Southern Africa kuzovela amaKhoisan. Ngobani? It was one country. How are the Khoisan the oldest tribe? They are not the oldest tribe. Abakhuphukanga ukuya lapha eGibhithe. Ithina sakhuphuka nobani? Nobaba wethu uMngoni. Umngoni ke nimazi ngokuthi uIsrael eBhabhelini. Sakhuphuka nobaba wethu uMngoni ngesikhathi kunesomiso kephi eSouthern Africa. Eya kwindodana yakhe leni yazi ngokuthi uJoseph. Bafika ke safike sakha khona saphenduka igcila, saba igcila for over 406 years. Siyigcila. Sabe sesikhishwa ngesandla saNkulunkulu sabuyela back eCanaan, which is called Southern Africa. Right? Southern Africa ilamazwe wonke ehlangene ayebizwa ngokuthi iseCanaan. Sicela ukuthi sibambe la. Siyabonga kakhulu.